The 56th edition of the International Film Festival of India is all set for its closing ceremony, which will be held today in Goa. The ceremony will be attended by the Minister of State L. Murugan, Secretary Sanjay Jaju, along with other dignitaries. The 9-day cinematic extravaganza offered an array of entertainment, while at the same time created awareness and educated the visitors. The platform also became a perfect example of how technology and creativity both can be used to deliver a world-class project. On the last day, a few of the films will be premiered with expected red carpet lineups. After that, the closing ceremony will take place at Goa's Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. All right, we'll go across to Goa now. DD India's Deepika Mehto joins us for more. Good morning, Deepika. The closing ceremony promises to be a star-studded affair attended by national and international media as well as prominent figures from the film industry. Tell us how is the atmosphere and mood ahead of the closing ceremony?
Good morning, Abhishek. Today is the last day of the 56th edition of International Film Festival of India. The day will be a night of awards because there will be several awards which will be given away today, straight from the Golden Peacock Award to the Silver Peacock Award. We would also be having the awardee for the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award. All these awards will be given out, will be handed out by the State Minister along with the Secretary and the Festival Director Shekhar Kapoor. And apart from that, we have the premiere of the closing film as well today, which is Tere Ishq Mein. For that, Kriti Senon and Dhanush are expected to walk the red carpet and grace the closing ceremony too. We are expecting big names to participate in closing ceremony, including the breathtaking singer Achyuta Gopi, who's going to perform at the closing ceremony. Apart from that, the star cast of Dhurandhar is also expected to perform at the closing ceremony. Now, apart from that, we've seen that how the 9-day extravaganza panned out in a very beautiful way, awarding, rewarding, and expressing the need to co-collaborate and increase the creative and technological aspect with having an expanded forum shared and divided with the global concerned departments. And the visuals that you are right now showing on your screen is from the Film Bazaar that offered a unique experience to all the filmmakers and industry stakeholders. So now, as we come closer towards the closing ceremony of the 56th edition, we will have the name of the awardees as well by today evening. Abhishek.
All right, Deepika, thank you for the time being. But yes, we'll keep taking updates from you.